Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Since Christmas season is upon us, I'm gonna be sharing Christmassy recipes to you all. And today, we'll be making Matcha Spritz cookies. From my kitchen and from my family to yours, Merry Christmas! So yes guys, today we are gonna be baking Matcha Spritz cookies. What are Spritz cookies? They are buttery and sweet and they hold their shape. And usually we use an egg to bake it. And before we bake it, we will use a cookie press. And I am so excited because today I have a special guest to bake this cookies. So let's get started. And the ingredients that we need are, what's this one?
Sugar, cream cheese, egg yolk, butter,
salt. We have matcha, vanilla extract. What's this one?
Flour.
And we're gonna be using sprinkles and chocolate chip and a little bit of icing decoration to decorate our cookies. So guys, let's get started. So guys, our first step is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then we will mix some of our dry ingredients. So we're gonna start with flour. And then we'll mix our matcha powder. Lucas is gonna mix it. Can I just borrow this one? Okay. And then our salt. Okay, mix it. So while Lucas is mixing this, we will start creaming our butter and our cream cheese in our mixer. So on our mixer, I'm gonna put in our butter, and this is softened butter, okay, not melted butter, softened butter or room temperature butter. And then I'm also gonna add our cream cheese, and then we will just cream this to start with, and then we will add our sugar gradually after. So we'll start adding our sugar gradually. So after a little bit, I'm just gonna put this up and then I'm gonna scrape the sides just to make sure that everything will be mixed well. So after we can mix our egg yolk. So guys, after we will add our flour, matcha, and salt mixture. So guys, our cookie dough is ready. And I wanted to show you, since we are using a cookie press, this is the cookie press that I'm using, and this is the OXO brand. So, ito yung box niya. This is not a sponsored video, guys, but I'm just showing you. Kasi, I did bake so many cookies using this cookie press. And talagang maganda siya. So, ayan yung box niya. It comes with 14-piece cookie press set. So, it comes with the actual press. And then, it also comes with a case for 12 discs. So, iba-iba yung disc na pwede nyong gamitin. You have Christmassy disc, just like this. Gagamitin natin siya. Yung Christmas tree, we have yung snowflake. And gagamit din tayo ng flower and a heart. So, guys, let's press our cookies. So guys, yung ating cookie press na gagamitin ngayon, it also comes with cookie press instruction and recipe. And yung ginamit nating recipe ngayon is inspired by one of the recipes here. Meron lang akong iniba na konti and gagamit tayo ng matcha. So ito yung cream cheese spritz cookies. Okay, so yan. And then, since ready na yung ating cookie dough, you don't need to refrigerate this cookie dough. Okay? And ilalagay ko na siya dito sa ating cookie press. So, ito na guys, nailagay ko na yung ating cookie dough sa loob ng cookie press. So, pumili na rin ako ng gagamitin kong cookie stencil, which is yung parang flowery type. And then, ipe-press ko na siya dito sa ating tray. So guys, here is our first batch of pressed cookie. So, ide-decorate lang natin siya. Lalagyan lang natin siya ng chocolate chip in the middle. Just like that. So, Lucas will help mommy do it. So guys, our first batch is done. We will put this in the oven for 10 minutes. So guys, while the first batch is baking, if you have a lot of trays, you can do them all together or bake them all together. So, ito yung pangalawa kong gagawin and gagamit ako ng ibang stencil. So, you can continue on hanggang maubos nyo na yung inyong cookie dough. So, guys, our first batch is done. And ayan na siya. Wow! So, you can tell that the cookies are fully baked kapag nakikita nyo na yung mga edges niya, brownish na siya. So, we'll just let this cool down for 5 minutes and then we'll transfer it to a cooling rack. So, guys, our Matcha Spritz cookies are ready!
It's my favorite time.
Here we go!
Here we go!
It is
Tikman
time! Tikman na natin, guys. Gonna go for the Christmas tree. So good. Cheers. So buttery. Tamang sweetness lang siya. Wala akong masabi, guys. Ang sarap. And this is the perfect gift na pwede nyong ibigay sa inyong loved ones this Christmas.
I love this.
Matcha is like the perfect partner sa chocolate din.
I love this green one.
You love it?
You want some?
Thank you.
Come.
And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating Matcha Spritz cookies recipe for today. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon.
Very soon.
And if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe.
And more videos. See you guys again. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for my cookies.